So today we're going to be making this Moringa and Amla infused hair oil. Now this oil does not only work for hair growth, it also works for dandruff, it heals healthy scalp, it has a lot of benefits for the hair. And this is the Moringa and Amla powder I am going to be using. I'm going to be doing herbal infusion, right? And this is actually preferred to infuse my oil myself, like to do my own herbal infusion myself instead of buying the oils from the market, because I don't know, like the quality of oils these days are just like it's just changing, like it's getting reduced like so fast. So I rather make it myself. And then this oil, you can apply it directly on your scalp. You can use it to do a pimple treatment. You can even add it to your product, like for people that make hair products, you can include it in your product. So this is the Amla powder, and then the Moringa powder is the green one, which I'm going to be adding. Now this is actually a 1 liter beaker. This is the 1 liter beaker. It actually looks so small because of the angle of the video. I'm going to be using a little percentage of the powder to the oil. This is because the smell of Amla and Moringa is actually very strong. I really don't like the smell, so I'm not going to use it too much, so that the oil is not too, like the smell is not too nauseating. Yeah. So I'm using sunflower oil for this extraction. You can decide to use other oil. You can decide to use olive oil or another oil of your choice, right? So I'm just going to fill it up, yeah, and then I'm going to put it on a double boiler. In a double boiler, I'm going to put it on the fire. Yeah. So what I did was that I put it on the fire for like up to 1 hour. So if you are using the low heat method, like the slow burn method, you can leave it on fire for a very long time, right? So for me, I just left mine for 1 hour, and I'm going to show you the result. I'm going to show you how it looks like after bringing it from the fire. So this is it after the double boiling, and you can see how nice it looks like. It looks really, really, really good. Yeah. And then I'll go ahead to save it. So if you are learning so much from this channel and you're enjoying this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video and share it, and turn on post notifications so that I get notified about my next video. So I'll go ahead to save it, and this is the side view. I just wanted to see you to see how it looks like. Now if you want this oil not to contain like a lot of particles and all, because you can see that powder is fine ground powder, then you shouldn't squeeze, like when you are saving like this, you shouldn't squeeze the shaft. Do you understand? So that some of the particles will not escape into the oil. So when you want to sieve it, you are going to use a cloth sieve, or in this case I'm using a wig cap. It's actually very cheap and it is very common, like you can get it anywhere. So that's what I actually like to use to sieve. This is my herbal infusions, yeah. So I'll let you see how it looks like when I'm done sieving it. Then as I said, if you don't want the particles to escape, because it's that powder, like it is very fine, right? So don't squeeze it like this. For me, I actually do not mind, right? Because I'm actually going to be putting it in a product and all. So you people should try making your own herbal oils yourself. And there are different methods. Now this is the oil and the hot infusion method. There's a cold infusion method where you just put the powder inside the oil or the leaves or so, and then you cover it and leave it for weeks, but you shake it time to time. If you'd like me to do a video of that one, so that I can compare the results or like the differences and all, do let me know. Yeah. So but this one is the faster method, and these oils are very effective, very, very effective. Please try making your oils yourself. And if you would like to also learn so many things at home, like ranging across different areas of home care and all that things you can make yourself at home, please check my channel, and you're going to learn so much on this channel. Yeah. I'm done saving it, and see, look at the shafts, just look at it. So this is the oil, and oh my god, I really like how it looks. Like it is just so good. Look at it, it's just really, really, really good. So try this out and let me know how it turns out. Rather share with me the results, and after you do it on your hair, share with me the results also. So see you in my next video.